Hey there! Let me take you on a journey through the essential world of threat modeling security fundamentals, specifically in Microsoft Azure. If you've ever pondered over what threat modeling really entails, how it fits within Microsoft's secure architecture, and best practices to keep your cloud infrastructure safe, buckle up. Imagine threat modeling as a detective work within the realm of cybersecurity. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to unearth possible threats that could wreak havoc on an organization's digital assets hosted in the cloud. With Microsoft Azure as our backdrop, we are not just talking about any threats, we are diving into those that could strike in this versatile, highly secure cloud platform. Now, if you are sitting there thinking, geez, how does threat modeling in Microsoft Azure actually work? Here's the scoop. Threat modeling in Azure follows the NIST-RM approach, but with Azure's unique features in mind. We are mapping out attackers, their goals, and potential defense strategies specific to Azure services such as virtual machines, storage, and databases. First off, we can't skip the importance of Azure blueprints. This powerful tool allows us to standardize and automate the setup, so common security patterns are consistently applied across our deployments. Think of it as your security cheat sheet, ensuring no critical setting is missed. Moving on to risk categories and assets within Azure, we pinpoint what's precious in the virtual world, be it the data itself or application integrity. Then, we catalog the threats, which include ransomware or DDoS attacks. Azure provides us with extensive threat intelligence, so we combine that with our knowledge to model the threat landscape accurately. Now, let's tackle the advanced stuff. Imagine configuring your VNet peering to enable secure communication between separate Azure regions. This is just scratching the surface. When you've got a multi-layered security strategy, you need to understand what each layer covers and how they interact, which is why pairing and understanding network topology in Azure are key players to remember. Best practices. Oh, there's plenty. Regular security assessments, vulnerability scans, Azure policy to enforce compliance, and logging and monitoring to detect unwanted actions in real time. These are your armor and shields against the storm of threats lurking in the digital ether. Let's not forget continuous improvement. Microsoft Azure's threat detection and response in Azure Monitor is a game changer, offering actionable insights and automated workflows to respond to incidents swiftly. These are the ever-evolving techniques that keep your Azure estates secure. After delving into these fundamentals, you are no longer just a cloud user, you are an architect guarding your digital metropolis. Azure's threat modeling is about understanding the terrain, staying vigilant, and being ready to respond at a moment's notice. And you, my friend, have the know-how to master this. And there you have it. Remember, this exploration into the foundational bedrock of our cloud armor in Azure is just scratching the surface. If you are craving more depth, click neeraj.qzz.io to subscribe to TechLab, where we delve into even more intricate details of the cloud and its defenses. Stay safe out there.